Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up menu item for search engine friendly URLs. Prior to Careers 5.7, the URL looks like this. The URL looks really longer. In this screenshot, you can compare the URLs before and after upgrading. Let's get started. Log into your backend. Click on Menus and click on Manage Link. Click on New button and in the title type Hidden Menu. And in the unique name set it to Hidden-Menu. And in the description you can type anything. After that, click on the hidden menu which was created in the last step and click on the new menu item, and in the title type View Job. The alias is just job. Click on the select JoomBri Careers and in the list select Jobs View Job. Click on Save and Close. Now go to the front end and click on the refresh button. So you can see the URLs are really shorter compared to the previous versions. Thank you for watching.